Mithai, Ratul isn't being able to accept this marriage, Mithai. And I won't be able to say this to anyone. So I shared it only with you. Please don't share it with anyone else. Actually, it's all my fault, Mithai. I should have made this decision on the day of the wedding only after thinking it through. But that day, I didn't have any opportunity or the time to think about anything. Do you know what I feel now? I wish I could stay back in the Manohara house for a few more days. I wish I could just fall sick so that I would have an excuse to stay at my home.
Shri, I could have never imagined that I would have to hear these words from your mouth. You are a very mature girl. Marriage is not child's play, Shri.
No, Sister Nanda. Please don't take Shri's words seriously. Actually, Shri is not in her right mind. She didn't mean what she just said. Sister Shri, this is your own house. This is your own family. Why will you leave behind all this and go back to Manohara house and live there?
Shri, I know that Ratul hasn't been able to accept this marriage yet. But I know my brother-in-law very well. It's not possible for him to deny this bond of marriage at all. Don't give him the space to deny this marriage, Shri. Initially, you might have to adjust a bit. Later, you will see that everything is going to be fine. Don't be stupid, Shri. Don't take any drastic steps. Mithai, Ratul is ready. Go and bring him over here.
Did you see that, Mithai? Nanda became annoyed with me. Tell me, what am I supposed to do, Mithai? Whatever Ratul told me at the Manohara house, after that, how can I believe that whatever Nanda is saying, how will it be possible? Ratul had accepted Nipa as his wife. Ratul is a very genuine person, Mithai. He won't be able to accept anyone else as his wife all of a sudden. Is this his fault? Every girl wants a husband like this. You, me, we all want that our husbands will only... Nipa did something utterly foolish. I don't know, but maybe I also did something very foolish. I should have listened to Sid's advice. I should have given priority to my career, but in that condition, Mithai,
Sister Shri, if you again talk about the past, then I will scold you a lot, Sister Shri. Whatever has happened can't be undone. You and Brother Ratul are going to embark on a new life from today onwards. I'm going. I will go and bring Brother Ratul over here. You need to tell Brother Ratul clearly. Whatever has happened can't be undone. Now this marriage is the ultimate truth. What advice should you take from Siddharth? He doesn't even believe in marriage. What advice do we expect from him regarding marriage? Let him understand first. After that, he'll be in position to advise. Listen, sit here quietly. I'll go and bring Brother Ratul to you. Sit here, okay? Wait.
Sid doesn't believe in marriage. But Ratul believes in marriage. But look at our fates. Sid's legally wedded wife is having to move away from his life. And Ratul's legally wedded wife will also have the same fate. Your Lord is creating such strange incidents, Mithai.
Come inside, Brother Ratul. There won't be any more rituals. Sweets are here. Please have some, okay? How can you start a new life without eating sweets, huh?
They treat marriage like child's play. I'm really getting angry now. No one is concerned about my position. The wedding happened after so many obstacles, but now she wants to go back to her house. As if the vows before sacred fire and all the wedding rituals have no value at all. Lord knows what goes on inside their brains.
Nanda, will you tell me where is my night suit? The whole house seems to be in a mess.
Listen, we recently had a wedding in this house. So how will you find this house well organized? I have handled a wedding recently. Do you get it? Do you expect the house to be organized? Wear whatever you find handy. I am needing the dough for tomorrow's breakfast. I can't look for your night suit now.
Oh my. What did I say that she got so angry? So, without any choice, come on, dear Rajiv, do your own chores. Your wife is angry for some reason. Where is Sandy? Tell me. Sandy! Hey, Sandy! How much more will you write? How many more scenes will you create? We have a mission to eavesdrop in Sri and Ratul's room, right?
Who arrived at this hour? Hey, Rajiv! Please check who has arrived. Who has arrived at this hour? I am busy with something.
Hey, Sister Nanda. Rajiv has gone to the terrace to call Brother Sandy. I'll get the dough.
No, Mithai. Why should you get the door so late? Who is it, Mithai? Strange. Sid? What brings you here so late? Is everyone fine at home? Hey, is everything all right?
But you are constantly lying to yourself, Sid. Your heart has already accepted Mithai, and that is why you don't want to give her a divorce.
Siddharth? What's the matter? What happened? Is grandfather all right? Has anything happened to grandfather? Why are you silent? Is grandfather...
What's the matter? Siddharth, you... How come you are here so late at night?
Brother Sid? What has happened to you? Why do you look so disoriented?
See, everybody has been asking him for so long, but he's not answering. I'm sure something bad has happened. Siddhartha, please speak up, say something. Say something at least. I think something must have happened to grandfather.
You don't even believe in love. You don't believe in the bond of marriage. What can you offer to a woman, Siddharth? So enough is enough. Whatever Samresh wants, let that happen. A decision has to be taken regarding Mithai's life. Too many words have been spoken. Too many. Come.
There's nothing to worry about, Rajiv. Everyone is fine. Actually, we had to stall a discussion this evening. And I won't be able to feel at peace until I come to some conclusion. So I thought of coming down here. Mithai is here, you're also here. A decision can be taken tonight itself. Anyway, did I disturb you all by dropping in?
What? No. What are you saying, Siddharth? Listen, you can come to our place whenever you feel like it. I can understand that you are restless due to something that is going on in your mind. Why don't you do something? Why don't you go to our bedroom? You may go there and finish whatever you have to discuss.
No, I can't do that, Rajiv. It doesn't look good that I came down without even informing Rajiv. Anyway, I'll leave now and come back later.
Hey, Siddharth, listen. Don't be so hesitant. Anyway, we had a plan to remain awake tonight. What I suggest is you both go to our bedroom and finish your discussion. Listen, Siddharth, the faster you can get rid of your restlessness, the better it will be. Go to our room. Hey, listen, Sandy,
What?
go and keep your precious notebook safely somewhere. Otherwise, you might just drop it again.
Yes, you're right actually, Brother Rajiv. I can't understand what is happening all around me. My limbs are trembling.
Nanda, you two go and finish your chores. Siddharth and Mithai, you both please excuse me because we have a special mission tonight. So we need to finish the preparations for it. Please go to our room and talk, okay?
How silly of me. Why did I come here so late at night? I can't sleep unless I come to know what Mithai will do after the divorce. And Tess on the other side. She has no sense. She called me up, said so many harsh words and insulted me. I'm really losing control of myself. No. Mithai, my patience has a limit. I've asked you to sit down, so you have to sit down.
No!
Mithai, just stop it, I said. I'm losing my temper. Just stop it!
Grandpa! Grandpa!
Rajiv, stop! Since he couldn't scold me to his heart's content at home, so he took the trouble to come here to scold me. He will come and tell me. Bidai, whatever I ask you to do it quietly. You should sit the way I ask you to. If you take one more step forward, then I will... Bidai isn't saying anything.
Do you think you can crack jokes on me whenever you want to? Huh? Listen, Mithai, there is a limit to making fun of someone. Irritating.
What? What did just happen? Did someone bang the door? Nanda, our bedroom door lock isn't working properly for a very long time. What if it breaks now?
It will be wonderful. If the lock breaks, both of them will be stuck inside the bedroom. And I very much want that. It would be nice if the lock of Shri and Ratul's bedroom also breaks.
No, Nanda, I'm serious. Look, we won't find any lock mechanic before tomorrow morning. But of course, we should worry only if the lock is broken.
Hey, Nanda. Can you all please pray for me a little, please? At least my wedding should happen in a normal manner. I hope Lord doesn't create any trouble in my wedding. So far, all the weddings of our family have been dramatic.
Listen, Sandy, aren't you done yet? I mean, we must station ourselves out of Sri and Ratul's room and eavesdrop.
You are really impossible. First of all, try to find out if there is any sound coming out of that room at all. What if Ratul leaves the house again?
Your wish is my command.
Look, Mithai, this whole incident, I mean, the divorce procedure, I didn't ask anyone to initiate it. Yet unnecessarily, I'm becoming the villain to everyone. Grandpa and aunt misunderstood me. Even Tess is misunderstanding me. My point is, why should I get insulted everywhere? Huh? Why? I'm sorry, aunt, I just can't agree with this process.
Why, Sid? A lot of people get divorced this way.
No. 1 second, Tess. Just because a lot of people do it doesn't mean I'll do it too. I don't want to cheat anyone in this manner. What happened? Why are you silent? Say something.
What?
Mithai, I'm really getting angry. Stop doing that right now. All of you are turning me crazy. Do you know that? I'm not able to control myself any longer. Seriously. And my point is, why do I have to go through all this? I asked you a simple question at home. What do you want after the divorce and where do you want to stay? You can answer me in simple words, right?
Oh my. Mithai has already said that she'll open a confectionery in Chennai and she will travel to Kolkata every day to sell sweets. What else can Mithai answer?
Listen, Mithai. You know this very well that I can't let you do that.
What does that mean?
Look, Mithai, don't ask me the meaning, please. Something which isn't possible can't be made possible. You are not going to go back to your earlier life, that's it.
Strange, Siddharth. That's my identity. Mithai is confectioner. Mithai goes around with an earthen pot on her selling sweets. And Mithai is not at all ashamed to go to door selling sweets. So what is your hesitation? Can you please tell me?
Look, Mithai, I don't have the answers to so many questions, seriously. You will do as I say. You will study, and if at all you need to work, then you will join the family business.
With which identity will Mithai work?
Why? Isn't there any employee in the business of the Modaks? I mean,
Mithai has understood the meaning. Mithai will work as an employee, right? No, Siddharth. Mithai will give up her life, but she will never work under anyone. Even if Mithai goes door to door selling sweets, that will be Mithai's independent business. Grandfather has told me that your family business is incurring losses. So he asked me to make some good quality sweets. Hence, I tried doing that. But I never considered your family business as my own. I just wanted to help your family. But now, I have decided Mithai will run her independent business. Mithai has answered all your questions.